Anepane isting so that's not. Yamena do me good to a papa. Anepane isting so that's not. Yamena do me good to a papa. Yamena do me good to a Aquaba, oh sister, I know
Aquaba, my name is Erika Locke Williams.
Aquaba, my name is Eusebius Williams.
And we are from West Palm Beach, Florida. This is our third time coming to Ghana. We usually come every 2 years. And of course, it's always a pleasure to come back home and be hosted by African Roots Travels.
What is it that they told you? Telling me how they be fooling you like on the telling me how they be fooling you like on the my darling, my darling. Emere mukini yo, my darling. Emere mukini yo, my darling.
Kill you with enjoyment, 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 enjoyment. I go kill you with. Sugar daddy.